This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. It's been a long time. We have tried to make some consistent, regular videos, but yes, we are gonna be doing that thing again. We are also gonna start the live series again, and yes, we'll be hosting live sessions at least once a week from now. We'll try our best. So, let's see how we can do that. And first of all, we are monetized. We are very close to 5k subscribers, and also we got 5k followers on Twitter or X, whatever you want to say it. So thanks for all these things, guys. So I'm not gonna mention anything here. We are not having any open courses, any open trainings here. We are only having the one-on-one sessions here, so you can take a look on the description. And in this video, what we are gonna do is a very simple thing. I'm gonna show you how I was able to find a very simple default credential logins. I'm just blurring out the URL because of multiple issues. As I said, I can't mention that company's name here, but I can give you a hint. Just drop down the name of the company if you can guess it. So that company is very famous for making mobile phones in the older times, not very, like latest, but yeah, that company is famous for it. If you got the name, just drop it down in the comment section. And let me show you the POC first. So as you guys can see the POC, it was really very simple. You just have to log in using admin and that's all. But see, it doesn't work like that in almost every case. So what's going on actually? Let's take a look. Now see, if I discuss it very properly, right, then there is a scenario that if you're gonna do a little bit of research on some program, you might find a lot of interesting things. Because if I'm not wrong, this is a very deep thing. So there are two tips that I have for this one, which is the first one is if you have a lot of IPs of a target, right, just type SSL and then just double quote your target name. If you are having a real big thing or a real big collection of targets, right, then yes, find all their IPs, paste them into a text file. You can use Shodan, CLR, whatever you want to. You can use Uncover. It depends on you what you want to use. But after doing that thing, just use HTTPX or whatever tool you want to use to find out the redirects and where they are redirecting. Because if you can see, initially I found a IP that is gonna redirect it to a URL. That URL might be findable using the subfinder, but it depends. You can simply find the IPs or you can just simply find the domain via fuzzing. It depends on you. But every time you are finding subdomains, just sort all the functional, all the dat, all the static and all the login features separately. I'm gonna tell you how to map a target in the upcoming sessions, but for now, keep this thing in mind. So initially we just found that thing, but after the little bit of research, not a very extensive thing, just a little bit of research, we found that yes, it is redirecting to this domain. Cool. It is having only login feature. Then let's see if there is admin portal. So I tried multiple things, but I forgot to test for admin. And in the end, that was the actual ID password, and I was able to log into that one. So that was the video. That was a quick video about finding some default password logins. And see you guys in the upcoming video. Don't forget to take a look on the links in the description. And see you guys in the upcoming videos. Have a great day.